How to fix voicemail notification won't go away issues in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear phone app data. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search phone app, click on phone app, scroll down, click on storage. Now here you will see clear data, and if you want to clear data, then click on clear data. After click on clear data, phone data will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear phone services app data. Open settings, scroll down, again click on apps, search services. Now here you will see Samsung core services. Scroll down, click on storage, click on clear data. After click on clear data, data will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Again open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix voicemail notification won't go away issues in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.